And the next part of my weekend morning routine is my makeup look, and I just want something so quick and easy so I can get out the door, run my errands, and do my house projects you guys know I'm always doing. And I'm really just focused on my skin looking healthy and radiant, and I'm really not focused on like highlight and contour and false lashes and all that stuff. I've been wearing these on the weekends for at least the last 3 or 4 weeks, and I know once it's really hot out I'm going to wear these so much in the summer. They're perfect for hot summer weather. So the first one is the Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and the shade that I wear is Bamboo 5.5. So this is for light to medium skin tones with warm to neutral undertones. And the other one is the Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, and both of these are from bareMinerals. I'm partnering with them to show you guys how I put them on and all the tips I have. So let's get started. I'm starting out with the smoothing face brush from bareMinerals, and I love a stippling motion, as you guys know, because I feel like I get a lot of coverage that way, like way more coverage with way less product. So I definitely recommend that. I also will link every product I use down below in case you guys are wondering about like the mascara or brows, anything like that. And I like how hydrating this is because especially in the summer I want something that is like a multi-use product that is good for traveling. This also has SPF 30, so you don't have to worry about that. It just saves you so much time. And a little on my chest so I match, and it is a light to medium coverage product, so if you need a little extra then you can just add a little extra product there. I love that it really looks like I just have a moisturizer on. It doesn't even look like a makeup. It looks like I just have really healthy skin, which who doesn't want that? I'm going to set my face now with the Mineral Veil Finishing Powder, and I'm using the Supreme Finisher brush from bareMinerals. I love how soft and fluffy this brush is. And then when you open this up, it has an interlocking system. So you just spin this when you're ready for use. When you open this, it's not a big mess. There isn't powder everywhere. It all stays secured in the bottom. And then I just like to sweep this across my face. And then I also like to stipple in a little bit of extra product in my T-zone because I get shiny there first. And that really is it, you guys. Like, I feel like my skin just looks so good and healthy. It looks a lot smoother than it is. I feel like an Instagram filter is just like following me around and making my skin look awesome. So I love that, and I definitely will link them down below.